Welcome to the seventh part of pencil rendering. If you are learning from the tutorials, please send your feedback in the comment section. Today I am going to demonstrate you the pencil rendering technique called as stippling. As I have said previously, now I am using 2B, 4B, 6B and 10B graphite pencils. Watch my previous videos of pencil rendering. Link of the same is given in the description. This pencil rendering took me around 5 hours to finish because they are minute dots. That is why I took 5 hours to finish this. It varies on person to person. If you like this video, write your comments in the comment section. Subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching and love the pencil. Enjoy.